Put your hand on my
So let's have a fine hand for young Paul Anka, won't you please?
Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another video. So on today's video, we're going to do the part 2 of the intercooler piping install. And pretty much, I'm going to finish mocking up the second part. I'll show you guys right now. Is other piping. I marked it right here because I'm going to have to cut it right here at an angle. So we can align it with this part right here. And we've got the other part right here. See if I can get this to focus. It's down there. I marked it right there as well. And we got to do it like this because I got the other part down here. I don't know if you guys can see it. That part right there is a drain plug for the radiator. I got to clear this so that we can still use it. So this part, the U goes straight, is gonna hit the radiator, so that's the problem we're having. And then this part right here obviously sticks out too far, as you can see right there. So my only solution was to use that part, this one, make it go like that, so that we clear all that issue. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut that, and we'll mock it up, and we should be done pretty much with this side of the piping now. And then we're gonna go ahead and show you guys the other one that I did. And then from there, we're gonna decide where we're gonna put our blow-off valve. So we're almost done. I'm gonna put you guys on a quick time lapse.
Put your hand on my
So let's have a fine hand for young Paul Anka, won't you please?
Okay, so this one, I am gonna have to cut at an angle, just so I can make a line up. I don't know how it's gonna come out, but hopefully it comes out straight. It's crazy. Okay, let's go cut this and see how it comes out. Okay, so as you can see, the pipe right here looks straight. If it was matched up right there, this one right here looks perfect. So I guess we got that little bend we needed. Now the only thing is I gotta cut the other pipe, and we should be done with this one. The only thing that I don't like is that I don't want to make this all one piece. The reason why is because when I insert the piping into the turbo, since it's already mocked up for it to sit all together as one piece, it's going to be kind of hard just to put it all together as one piece. But the other thing I can do is I would have to get the piping where I cut it off at. I would have to get a bead like this, a bead rolled on it, so that I can put a coupler on it, But yeah, so the only pipe I would have to cut is that one, and then I could fully mock it up. So I use the coupler to insert it on here and mark the line so that I can have a straight cut line. It's a little tip for you guys. But let's go ahead and tape this up. Okay, as you guys can see, I was able to line them up perfectly with the other piping, so this is pretty much how it's gonna be. You can see that little angle right there. That's the angle we needed to come out, and then it goes back in. So there it is. Now I'm gonna do is tape this up so I can keep it mocked up for when I go get it welded. The welder knows how to weld the pipings back together. Okay, so here it is. Go ahead and put this on here. Boom. Look at that perfect fit. There it is. So as you guys can see, we finally finished the intercooler piping. So stay tuned guys for the next video, where we're gonna go ahead and be installing the blow-off valve, wastegate on the build. Say hi, mama. Say hi. But yep, there it is. So don't forget guys, like, comment, and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.